I have also already received my Australia visa for February intake. Hello, my name is Sagar Adhikari and I am from Kathmandu, Nepal. I have successfully completed my Fundamentals of Geriatric course here at City Aged Care Training and Research Center. I have also already received my Australia visa for February intake. While preparing for my future, I found aged care is globally demanded, so which motivated me to pursue my career in aged care. While searching for genuine institute, I found many real fake one. After proper research, I found City Aged Care Training and Research Center, which was the right decision for me. The theory classes, practical training and field exposure were very helpful and gave me confidence in caregiving skill. The trainer were very supportive and professional throughout the course. The lab room is very well equipped and helpful for our training. Here we practice real caregiving skills such as patient handling, personal care and safety procedure. The environment feels like a real aged care workplace, which help us build confidence before working with actual client. Because of this practical setup, we are better prepared for both fieldwork and overseas employment. I highly recommend City Aged Care Training and Research Center for those aspiring people who want to build up their career in aged care and want global opportunity. Thank you.